We tested over 30 basement dehumidifiers. Most waste your money. One on this list is almost unfairly good for the price. Stick around. 5 basement dehumidifiers ranked honestly. Specs translated into real results. One clear winner, and the trade-offs you actually need to know. All links are in the description. We run these comparisons regularly. If that's useful, a subscribe helps. The number 1 pick surprised us. Let's get into it. Coming in at number 5, the SEM Cap 32 Pint at $116.99. It covers up to 2,500 square feet. Solid for a single basement room or smaller space. The 24-hour timer and smart humidity control mean you set it and forget it. Quiet enough to run overnight without much notice. The catch: some owners report it underperforms in seriously damp conditions, and those 1-star reviews are worth reading before you buy. At this price, it earns its spot for light-duty moisture control. Just know its limits. But if your basement runs wetter, the next one is built for that fight. Stepping into number 4, the Luda Tedo 80 Pint at $149.99. That 80 pint daily capacity means it's pulling serious moisture from spaces up to 5,000 square feet. Real whole basement coverage. The 42 decibel rating keeps it quieter than most compressor units at this size, so it runs overnight without waking anyone up. At this price, that combination of coverage and quiet genuinely earns its spot. The honest catch: some owners report screen failures around 9 months in and occasional freezing. Check your hose quality on arrival too. A few buyers found it didn't match the listing photos. But if you need more consistent daily capacity with stronger trust behind it, the next pick is where this list gets serious. Stepping into the top 3, the IOKE 50 Pint Compressor Dehumidifier comes in at $179.93. It covers 3,500 square feet and runs at around 40 decibels. Quiet enough that you genuinely forget it's running in the background. Energy Star certified, so your electricity bill isn't taking a hit either. That combination earns its price tag. The honest catch: the tank holds just 0.8 gallons, which fills up fast. You'll either be emptying it constantly or connecting the included drain hose permanently. Most buyers go that route. At 4.6 stars across 972 ratings, the trust is real. Perfect for a cost-conscious buyer who wants quiet, effective moisture control. But the next pick brings heavier duty coverage and a lot more owner confidence behind it. Coming in at number 2, the Brit 50 Pint Dehumidifier at $161.49. It pulls 50 pints of moisture daily and advertises coverage up to 3,500 square feet, which in a typical open basement means you're genuinely covered. 3 operating modes plus a 24-hour timer let it work around your schedule without babysitting. The 6.5-foot drain hose is long enough to reach a floor drain without repositioning the unit constantly. At this price, that flexibility earns its spot. The honest catch: at least one owner in a 644-square-foot basement still couldn't hit 50% humidity, so real-world coverage can fall short of the label, and customer support has drawn complaints. But 4.4 stars across 1,762 owners says most buyers are happy. For a mid-size basement with manageable moisture, this delivers. Now, stepping up to number 1, and this is where confidence really scales. Our top pick is the IOKE 80 Pint at $219.99. Nearly 22,000 owners have rated it 4.7 stars. That is the largest, most trusted sample on this entire list. That number means something. At 80 pints a day and coverage up to 5,000 square feet, this handles a serious basement without breaking a sweat. Energy Star certified, so it pulls moisture efficiently without quietly inflating your electricity bill. The humidity dial runs from 30 to 80% in 5% steps, precise enough to actually set it and forget it. For a large, damp basement, this earns every dollar of that price. The honest catch: some units show humidity readout inconsistencies, and a small number of buyers report early build failures. Check yours right when it arrives. One flaw noted, but 22,000 reviews don't lie. This is the pick. So here's the quick breakdown. Tight budget, smaller space. The SEM Cap handles up to 2,500 square feet and costs the least. Mid-range rooms around 3,500 square feet. The Brit or IOKE both deliver, each with a drain hose included. Need whole basement coverage at 5,000 square feet. The way Car's Energy Star certification is the one that actually saves you money long-term. That's the real separator. Tight budget, smaller space. The Brit or IOKE cover you. Bigger basement, daily runtime, the way Car is the pick. Most reviewed, Energy Star certified, and it actually lowers your power bill. That's not hype, that's the data talking. Links are in the description, affiliate disclosure there too. Which basement are you buying for? Watch our next dehumidifier comparison right after this.